Developing PHP applications and working with INC include files. These are reusable code files included in PHP scripts for shared functionality. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to view, edit, and properly use these PHP include files in web development projects. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky INC file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. A source code file referenced by a PHP script using functions like include or require. Users, typically web developers, create INC files to store reusable code, such as database connections, headers, footers, or functions, promoting modularity and simplifying website maintenance across multiple pages. An INC file is a plain text document containing PHP source code. The design choice to separate code into include files is a software engineering principle, not a file format specification. It allows developers to manage common elements efficiently without duplicating code, improving readability and maintainability. Optimal handling of the INC format is achieved using Visual Studio Code by Microsoft Corporation. The file's visual data is accessible but requires specialized software for metadata reading. Windows can display the file contents, but safe execution relies on trusted environments. Your first troubleshooting move: right-click the INC file and select Open With. Try launching it using Visual Studio Code if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. If the INC file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Because the INC format is highly specialized, general solutions often fail. To ensure a proper fix, let's verify these crucial details on our checklist right now. First, opening in a code editor. INC files are plain text PHP code, so open them in Visual Studio Code Storm or Sublime Text with PHP syntax highlighting. Configure the editor to recognize .inks files as PHP for proper syntax coloring and IntelliSense. The code is fully readable and editable using standard PHP development practices and tools. Next, securing INC files. Configure your web server to prevent direct access to INC files for security. In Apache, add a directive in .htaccess to deny access to .inc files, preventing exposure of database credentials or sensitive code. In Nginx, use location blocks with deny all directives. This protects against information disclosure vulnerabilities in production. Finally, using modern PHP conventions. Modern PHP development typically uses .php extensions for all code files, with PSR4 autoloading replacing manual includes. Consider refactoring INC files to PHP classes following PSR standards using Composer for autoloading. This improves code organization testability and aligns with current PHP framework conventions like Laravel and Symfony. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.